Guys, welcome back to Coupon Juice. Today I'm going to review the new latest JABRA headphone along with the noise cancellation with this more like a headphones. We will get a like a almost 3 to 3.5 meters long wire. Along with that we need we have a JABRA and controller. With this control we can go take a Skype or Zoom calls. We can use for so many users, and it's a USB headphones with a noise cancellation microphone. This is the latest manual comes with this mobile. It comes, these are something about this Zabra stereo ms control, like a best microphone ever. This is one of the best microphone and with a headset I'm using for making next especially I get it for making a videos like a when I'm a YouTuber. I will make videos on YouTube with the help of this Zabra mic. This is the you can see on the back side we have a Zabra logo over here, and we have a soft foam. This foam very comfortable for ears too, and we can adjustable, we can rotate like a 60 to 80 degrees angle, and we have a extendable. We can we can increase and decrease the length of this one. Both sides we can increase the decrease the length, and here we have a mic. This is a mic we have this with this headphone. One of the best quality mic. We can get a noise cancellation. We can make a great audio quality content with this headphones and mic. That's why I'm using from so long back. I'm planning to buy this. Unfortunately, a few days back I got an offer. That's why I purchased this mic, headphones with mic. I hope you like this video. After using, I will make another review about this Zabra mic. I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe to Coupon. Just like, share and comment your valuable opinion and question on the comment box below. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos.